Electromagnetic energy of man. In addition to our physical body, we also consist of a range of electromagnetic forces. We recognize this as emotions, our brain power, our psyche, and so on. We often recognize illness by the fact that the body reacts and is therefore no longer in balance. Flu symptoms are the most common. Then the body is busy cleaning our thinking powers, emotions, and psyche. Our cells have a memory, and for example, one cell of your body near your big toe also has all the information of all the other cells of the body. This means that not only our brain is and regulates the brain, but also our entire body. So the whole body is one brain. How can we show that it is one brain? Science has long shown that there is an energy around our body. So this energy has different electromagnetic forces that I mentioned at the beginning. When we use very sensitive equipment, we can perceive one energy, but in that energetic field, those various other energies are present. Now you can distinguish and find these fields using tuning forks. By tuning, one can draw these in an intuitive way.
Thank you very much. So what I'm going to do now is I draw an energy field of the woman on my left side, and you see this the right and the left side of her body. What I can show you is another energy. There's the mental energy. This is the mental energy, and the other one will be the emotional energy. So we see already two different energies. And now I'm going to show you this kind of levels. You can hear also through sound. When we look at the blue one, you see this on the right side, you see this the emotions and the mental energy, who is on this level here. And you hear this, the difference of the sounds, it resonates. But also we can hear it on this level. We also can, on another way, and we can also hear yeah. There you see this on the board, you see the right. It's really the throat. And it goes straight down to the basic. So she's busy now for at this moment to be more centralized and to discover our own emotions. There are also, when we think about this, then we see the possibilities of how life is working. And with diseases, we can see fast more. And because of the, when we look at babies, they have a lot of energy, and that's why they make progress, and they can feel each other. When you see them classroom full of babies, of young children, and one is crying, all the others will cry because they want to know what is this feeling. So they are all like this, but also they also connect to the elderly people, also because we have to exchange the energy to each other. And within this energy, also the people collecting this magnetically. So through the electromagnetic energy, all flows the energy and the intellectual for discover their own problems or their own diseases or their own intellectual disturbance. Everything is there, and that's why we have to understand that artificial intelligence, for example, is very dangerous because it's only in the intellectual area and it's not in the higher levels we are involved with.
Everything is frequency, so we also exist at a range of frequencies. Did you know that a newborn baby can register the mother even 60 meters away? The psyche of a child is so strong that it receives information from its environment and thereby takes over and processes the illness. Thus, group immunity is addressed. That is what happens between people as well. We pass on information to each other, and in this way, we heal ourselves as a solution is found. So this happens unconsciously.